All right, we got Cody and I here in our orange jumpsuits of the Department of Corrections here. Let us out today for a little bit to go have some moto fun. Cody's not feeling super comfortable on his 501 here. It's his first motocross day. As we see here, we have a bald tire here, probably the baldest dirt bike tire you're gonna see, and he can't stop, so he's gonna be taking the 110 instead. So probably faster. We'll see. We'll see what's faster. Third gear, keep her wicked. I got my 125 here. Come on. Make sure I got my gas on. Yeah!
Next year.
Maybe boots next year.
We're rocking the Vans.
This is my gate. Nobody's taking my gate.
You ain't ready.
This is a crooked start national right here.
2 days out of jail, he's already back in it.
We're not. They just let us out on good behavior. We're on parole. About to steal first place and go right back. All right, folks, we got the Halloween costume race here today. We got Nick here. This is a minion. Cody is the DOC, my partner in crime here today in the orange jumpsuit. Looks like we got traffic cone, a couple other things. Keep this hog warmed up. I have not raced